Hey, keto warriors! Have you ever wondered why your progress toward ketosis just isn't as smooth as you expected? Or maybe you're on keto, but you're still struggling with cravings, stalled weight loss, or energy crashes? It might just be the foods sneaking into your diet that are working against you. In today's video, we're breaking down 16 foods you should avoid, or at least limit, if you want to reach and maintain ketosis. We'll dive into what makes these foods counterproductive and offer keto-friendly swaps to keep you on track. 1. Sugary foods and drinks. First up, the obvious culprit, sugary snacks, desserts, and sodas. These are loaded with carbs, which can quickly knock you out of ketosis. Instead, opt for keto-friendly sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. 2. Grains and grain-based foods. Bread, pasta, rice, even whole grains, are off limits for keto. These foods spike your blood sugar and insulin, slowing down fat burning. Look for low-carb alternatives, like cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles. 3. High-carb fruits. Fruits like bananas, apples, and mangoes may be healthy but are too high in natural sugars for keto. Stick to berries in moderation, as they're lower in carbs. 4. Starchy vegetables, like potatoes and cornstarch means carbs. Try non-starchy veggies like broccoli or cauliflower instead. 5. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. While nutrient-dense, they're high in carbs. Consider nuts or seeds for your plant-based protein instead. 6. Low-fat or diet foods. These often have hidden sugars to make up for the taste. Go for full-fat, unprocessed options instead. Quick tip: if you're new to keto, always read labels. Foods marketed as healthy or low-calorie are often packed with carbs, so check for hidden sugars and starches. 7. Milk. A single cup of milk has around 12 grams of carbs. Swap it for unsweetened almond or coconut milk instead. 8. Condiments and sauces, like ketchup or barbecue sauce. These can contain surprising amounts of sugar. Try homemade keto sauces or look for sugar-free versions. Remember, staying in ketosis isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about making sustainable swaps. Here are a few more foods to keep an eye on. 9. Sweetened yogurts full of added sugars. Stick to unsweetened, full-fat Greek yogurt. 10. Honey and maple syrup. Natural but still loaded with carbs. Use keto-friendly sweeteners if you need a touch of sweetness. 11. Processed snack foods, chips, crackers, etc. often high-carb, high-calorie, and low on nutrition. Try nuts or cheese crisps for a keto-friendly snack. 12. Certain alcohols, like beer or sweet wines. Beer and sugary cocktails have high carb counts. Go for dry wines or clear spirits with sugar-free mixers. And there you have it. These 16 foods are best avoided if you want to stay in ketosis and make the most of your keto journey. Remember, going keto is a lifestyle shift, and it can be challenging at first. But with a little awareness and planning, you'll be enjoying all the benefits of a low-carb, high-fat diet in no time. Found this list helpful? Drop a comment below with any keto questions you have, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more keto tips and recipes. See you next time.